sound like medicine.
I don't know. I don't think I do. Maybe I do. Come here. I got a whole pocket full of stuff.
What are we talking about?
Yeah.
Don't go too far over because there's a ledge over there.
Okay.
He said no pictures. You come over here and stop it.
You're gonna be famous.
Really? You're supposed to be here all you do it for a joke or something.
Tie it on the lighter thing and let him pull it. You try overhand, Joe? Try feeding it.
I got one.
Yeah, it kind of drops off over there.
You got good arm on you.
I was gonna try. I'm gonna give it a shot after Joe. Joe, here, go get your hand wrapped. Yeah.
He wants all the.
Strongest guy here. Nope. Strongest guy here. I know it ain't you. I know it ain't you. I watched you try to move a washer.
Get back out of the water. Chuck, you stay here.
Fuck it.
You want to go down?
I said, look,
Don't get swept away. Watch out.
Watch out.
Yeah, but this rope's going to get around you.
okay. Yeah, come on over this way. Let's stand out there.
Yes. No problem. You don't need this rope out here anymore? I'm taking it out.
Leave it here. Just leave it here.
In here, I'll go get the dog. We'll get another side. We'll go get another side.
We're the cookie dog.
$20 an hour per person.
All right.
Now we do.
Where do you want
Rick,
this, bro?
Vince, and don't do that. Help me with
Oh, you want your radio?
my radio.
They got, look, the base of the wall almost on that.
You were part of that?
Out of there.
Stay close where that other guy is so you can see what's going on.
Get the washer right here. Hold the anchor.
Big log back there.
Right here, like that. Pull this little twine when we tell you. Okay?
You want me to try that, Bob?
You need somebody to tell the phone. You can get a step. You can't even get a decent step. Shit.
Hey, Bob. Come down here and talk to this guy. Let me give him
Step aside.
Here comes, guys. Got about 3 feet to the bank.
Bank's right here.
Hey, you gotta get a little bit more.
It's locked.
That's it. Don't go any further. Get your ass in over here. That's all you. Watch out, Jeff.
the current, then go at him, all right? And then throw in the life preserver and kind of hold the boat there with the motor, Kev. Kind of hold it, okay? Go ahead, throw it in gear.
Do not go forward, guys.
Don't go forward, watch your bow.
Yep.
Hold on, guys.
Okay. That'll be alright. They gotta work. Don't let it stall on you, Kev. Good. You're doing good. Alright. Bring the rope over, Kevin.
You're alright. No, you're alright.
Oh, where'd the guy go?
Oh, no.
You weren't supposed to dive yet, fella. Back her over, Kevin. Let the rope out, Kevin. Let the rope out, Mikey. Let the rope out. Swim over here, fella.
Flying way.
Go, swim.
Swim this way.
Pull him up, Kevin.
Take it, watch the back. Head him this way, Kevin.
Pull, Kevin. Pull this way. Cut her this way. That's
This way, Kevin.
Cut it, Kevin. Cut it. All right, get a hold of the rope. Get a hold of the rope, guys. Get a hold of the rope, guys.
Watch the bank. Easy, hold it.
Slow and easy.
Take your time.
You weren't supposed to. Just let him rest.
Slow down a second, man.
Just let him rest. You weren't supposed to jump, fella.
We were just giving you the look.
Okay. You guys take your time. Hey, don't do anything till we tell you to. All right. You cold?
Take us off and walk to the bank.
You gotta jump the gum on us. That's why we don't have the power to pull you. Watch, don't step backwards. Here's your rope back. Go with him. Okay, look, fellas.
Right over the medic.
You're going to be fine if you do what we
Get a
tell you.
blanket on.
Do not
Stay with him.
pray until we tell you to.
My jacket? No, I'm just. Alright. How long have you guys been out there?
Hour. With an hour, man.
Alright, go ahead. Uh-oh. One place. Right here.
Oh, it is?
My foot's on the bank. I can go drop it.
All right.
Don't go any further.
Yours down.
You can damn near have it pop in there.
I don't know what to do. I'm torn between that and this.
Yeah. Well, these two, we can give you pictures of them today. We're going to go through the same thing.
It was like, I know I was waiting for this land. I was waiting for this, but it you know, it wasn't doing any good.
So you following it. I thought maybe we're just going to stay back there.
No, I wanted to come in, but I told him to go get my lens.
Yeah. Squeaky, Squeaky went up the bank and fell in. That's why he's all wet. See that? Look at Paul. Paul's being a salesman. It's on everybody's wetsuits.
Ready, Mike? Hey,
Yeah, but I just want to little question to worry about.
Okay, fellas, look. Take the rope, just stick it down that pole, wrap it around there a couple times, loop around that brand, and then stay away from it, all right?
Boats should take over a light clothesline, not the heavy rope. And maybe pull that harness back. That's why they're running into trouble. They yank that right out of there. He was wrapped around something. Sounded like it was wrapped
Were they rafting? Water rafting?
They were holding on to logs.
Oh, logging. Right.
Right here on your right. No, I just started this. Yep.
Got it? Got us guys on the back page there.
Hey, look, get a bunch of guys on that road, these arms and everything. Rope's clear all the ends, right? What you're going to do is let yourself down and you pull the rope.
Hey, you want him to swing that way to you, right?
Yeah.
We should let go.
Okay, you guys are going to pull, pivot around that tree and kind of pull him up towards you, and the colonel swinging right into us. All right, if we need Kevin, if we need you to go get him, we'll get the boat started.
Hang on. I don't know how to get me to get the water.
All right, well, let's not get it down here till we're ready. All right, you guys ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let yourself go.
Let go.
Swim into the water. All right, swim into the water. I said swim hard. Swim hard. Swim. Attaboy. Pull up, fellas.
We go right back.
Grab us on the rope.
Grab us on the rope.
There you go. Grab back. Attaboy. Pull yourself in.
All right, you got on the rope.
Pull, fellas. Pull it up. All right. Slack on the other line.
All right, back right here.
All right, he's in.
Now, number 3. Rick, watch the rope.
Stay out of line. All right, same thing, fellas. Exact same thing.
I think you're really desperate to do that.
See it, don't want to be.
Same thing, fellas.
Take your time, Mike.
You got plenty of water, Kevin. All right.
Okay.
All right.
Good, good.
Got it?
Keep that stuff there.
Okay? Got underneath your arms? Yeah. All right. Yeah, here. All right, pull it tight, fellas. We're going to pull this pull it tight.
Okay. Walk up to the tree.
Whenever you're ready. You ready? Here it comes. Okay. Swim hard.
Sure.
Swim hard. Attaboy. Pull, fellas. Pull it up.
Here you go. Grab this.
There you go. Grab the rope in front of you.
Rope.
You got it? Oh, you're all right. You're swimming good. Come on. Keep on coming. You're all right. Just keep swimming. There you are. There you go. Okay. All right.
Slack on the white rope.
Slack on the rope, fellas. All right. Ready? There you go. All right. Then run that up. Take a few more steps.
Everybody's in it.
Okay. Good job. You cold?
No, I'm all right.
You cold?
Uh-oh.
That's all right. We'll get it out. We'll be walking.
Alright, as soon as you're unbuttoned there, go with the fluffy guy right there. He's going to take you to the end.
Take the red rope, whoever got it.
There you go.
Okay, guy.
Go with the fluffy guy.
Are you in the water or out of the water?
Out of water.
I ain't cold, well. You seen my pager? Great. Plug me in here.
Okay, first off, I need your name.
Chris Hardy.
I'm sorry? Go ahead.
Chris Hardy.
Hardy, H-A-R-D.
H-A-R-D-Y.
Okay, and what happened?
Well, first the two of them, Charles Rogers and Jim Boswell, went down on logs, and we were going to go with them. So we ran down the street, and me and Chris Olsen got on a log, and then our log started spinning. Them guys caught a tree. Our log started spinning, and then I went underwater, and my feet got caught in brush. And then I grabbed onto a tree and I pulled up, and this man came down and he said, "You want me to call the fire department?" And we said, "Yeah, please." And he goes, "You can get out because you can probably reach over there." But I was kind of scared to. But then I grabbed onto there's a rope over there on the tree. But I tried to pull it off, but it wouldn't. So I just swung myself like a little bit, like 2 feet, and then got where I could walk. And I walked out. And he told me to stand there and wait and tell him don't move because down there it's pretty rough. And he said, "I bet, you'd get really hurt if you would have went down."
Were you really scared?
Yeah, I was scared.
What went through your mind as you were?
I don't know. When we started spinning, I really got scared because it was like it's moving about 25 miles an hour, 30 miles an hour. I mean, we were just moving, and I just had my feet up because I know, it's over some rocks we jump off of, some rocks 15 feet off the ground and stuff. It's up over them, and I thought, we had to keep our legs straight, so if we hit anything, we could stop, So, and then I just got out. I got myself out.